Hey guys, today we're having a look at how to talk about your favorite something or other. So to start with, we have our question, because you might like to ask someone what their favorite thing is, or someone might ask you. And we start out by saying, Ichiban suki na, and then we insert the thing that we're talking about, followed by wa nan desu ka. So for example, what is your favorite subject at school? Ichiban suki na kamoku wa nan desu ka? So ichiban suki is the word for favorite. Ichiban means number one, and suki means to like something. So your number one like. And in this case, the thing we're referring to is our favorite school subject. So the word for subject is kamoku. And then we want to attach the phrase wa nan desu ka. Nan desu ka means what is. Now to answer the question, we can say ichiban suki na, and then followed by whatever the thing is that we're being asked about, followed by wa, and then we insert our answer and we finish with desu. So for example, my favorite subject is Japanese. Ichiban suki na kamoku wa Nihongo desu. You can see here that the only difference between the question and the answer is we've replaced the word nan with whatever it is that we want to insert in that spot. In this case, Japanese. You might say your favorite subject is maths. Ichiban suki na kamoku wa sugaku desu. You might like to say, what is your favorite TV show? Ichiban suki na bangumi wa nan desu ka? Bangumi is the word for TV show. And you might respond with The Simpsons. Ichiban suki na bangumi wa The Simpsons desu. So whatever you want to talk about, you can just switch out the subject or the thing and the answer to suit. Now using the same word, ichiban, we can also quantify something as being the most something or other. So for example, we have the word ichiban followed by an adjective, then the noun, and again we tack on this phrase wa nan desu ka. So for example, what is the most difficult subject? Ichiban muzukashii kamoku wa nan desu ka? So ichiban means the most, muzukashi is difficult, and that's our adjective. And then we have our noun, which is the word subject, kamoku, and finishing with the phrase nan desu ka, what is it? So to answer that question, again, we have this pattern of ichiban, followed by the adjective, followed by the noun, followed by the particle wa, and then we insert the thing or our answer, and we finish with desu. So for example, the most difficult subject is maths. Ichiban muzukashii kamoku wa sugaku desu. So ichiban is the most, followed by the word difficult, muzukashii, which is our adjective, followed by our noun, which is the word subject, kamoku, and then our answer or the thing is, in this case, maths, sugaku. Now, when we're using our adjectives, we have to obey a couple of rules. So if it's an I adjective, and keeping in mind that we have two different types of adjectives in Japanese, we have I adjectives and we have na adjectives. So if it's an I adjective, we use the adjective in its whole form. So we don't make any changes to it, we just leave it as is, we use it exactly the way it's written. So for example, the most difficult. Ichiban muzukashii, and then follow with the rest of the sentence. If it's a na adjective, however, we always attach the na to the adjective. So for example, the prettiest will be ichiban kirei na. So that's about all for this topic, but if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.